Welcome to Autel Charge Cloud, a one-stop charging management solution designed to address the needs of many use cases, including commercial, residential, governmental, car dealers, and fleets. Using the example of a national retail store, the Autel Charge Cloud will monitor, optimize, advertise, and generate reports on all aspects of your charging stations across your entire network. In addition, the system can generate valuable insights into chargers' health status, charging patterns, transactions, and energy consumption. This will help you save money and make better business decisions. For example, our platform allows you to set fees and discounts for peak or off-peak charging times. It also allows you to give access and differentiate between external users and internal employees, giving you freedom and flexibility to generate more income. In order to maximize charging capacity, our cloud dynamic load balancing technology allocates charging power according to vehicle demand, while avoiding overloads and high-demand charges. Our intuitive app connects harmoniously to our cloud and provides end users with easy map navigation and searching to help find available chargers and to set up charging reservations. This level of functionality enhances the user experience by reducing the waiting times during peak charging times. All charging activities will show up under order records for easy invoicing and reimbursement. Last but not least, we're excited to announce the launch of our content management system advertising and communication platform. Advertisers from all over the world can easily place ads through our chargers. Our platform gives you the options to decide if you want to source advertising, elevate your brand, present local topics, or promote this month's sale. The functionality is limitless, providing you several ways to grow your business and add to revenue. Autel Charge Cloud, a forward-thinking solution making charging operations and maintenance unprecedentedly green, safe, cost-effective, and efficient. Autel, powering the planet.